Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share an incredible Pocket FM hack that lets you unlock unlimited coins. Just look at my account. I've already gained a massive amount of coins. If you're curious about how to do it yourself, be sure to watch this video until the end. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Grab your device and let's dive in. Before proceeding, let's address two important checks specifically for iOS users. Android users can skip directly to the main installation instructions. First, navigate to your device settings and go to General. Tap Background App Refresh and ensure Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected. This setting allows the app to update and function efficiently in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Battery. Make sure Low Power Mode is turned off, as enabling this mode can restrict the app's performance. After completing these steps, you can move on to installing the app. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to findplugin.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for Pocket FM and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button and the system will begin downloading the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If you are using our site for the first time, you will have to perform one more step. It is very quick, easy, and of course free. You will be taken to a verification page where you will have to install apps from the App Store or Play Store. There will be a tutorial on the site showing how to do everything exactly. Once this step is completed, installation will start immediately. In my example, the verification was successful, and the app was downloaded, and you can see it on the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you liked the video and everything is working for you, leave a like and subscribe to my channel to follow more content like this. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to write in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you, and see you next time.